Hi, my name is Gary. I'm a registered nurse and I am also a dividend investor, which I go by the name Darth Dividend on YouTube. So I created this channel. Basically, what happened was in 2018, I wanted to figure out how to make extra sources of income. I was making very good money as a registered nurse. So I did my digging, and I'm going to reveal to you what type of things I invest in and how I invest, as well as show you stock and dividend analysis videos on many things I own. So it was one of those things that was kind of like a wake up call. You kind of go through this transformation. I started doing some digging and some reading on, retirement, and really, is a 401k or a 403b enough? And I believe it wasn't enough. So I did some digging and did my own research and looked into things on how to have extra sources of income. Now, in 2020, the pandemic hit, and as a registered nurse working on certain COVID units and other very intense floors or units, my 403b, the employee contributions, okay, we would contribute 6 or 7%, and they would match us 3%. Guess what? That matching was so I was basically prepared for that 3% matching that has been slashed for this year of 2020. And what I did to prepare in 2018 is to prepare for the long run of earning passive income. And I'm going to show you some things that I invest in real quick and what my channel is about. So, one of my sections I have on my channel is my fractional share dividend portfolio. My long-term goal is to make $1,000 to $3,000 a month on my monthly dividends and $2,000 to $4,000 a month on my quarterly dividends. That is rational and that is possible. And my goal on my M1 Finance dividend portfolio is to get to that $100,000 mark and probably go further into the moon, as they say, and keep on going. So, with you guys being more active in 3,000 strong on this channel, it is motivating me to post more videos about my M1 Finance dividend portfolio, as well as reveal to you a stock and dividend analysis videos on the stocks that I own in my M1 Finance portfolio, just like Pfizer and AT&T, and why I integrate and implement these guys to my dividend portfolio, which I refer to as the Death Star. The next thing I'm going to show you is my E-Trade dividend portfolio, where I created an E-Trade dividend portfolio to help me create passive income. And right now, what I'm doing is reinvesting my dividends. So I have an M1 Finance portfolio, I have an E-Trade dividend portfolio, and I also post stock and dividend analysis videos on many of these stocks that I own, and I provide the rationales why I own these stocks. I have some fun investing in these. I'll throw, like $100 to $200. I reveal to you updates that I do on my dividend portfolios, either on E-Trade or M1 Finance. But I figured out ways how to invest in real estate and have somebody do it for me and help me generate passive income. So on my Fundrise account, I reveal to you the changes that I made. I'm in the balanced portfolio. I want to earn that passive income through the real estate side, and I'm getting the help by Fundrise. So that's the third thing I invest in. I also invest in angel investing. So I would love for you guys to smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do not believe in charging anyone. I do not have a Patreon account. I have Darth Dividend on my Instagram, which is in the comment section. I also have a Twitter account, and I also have Dividend Investing with Darth Dividend, which is on Facebook. And you can find me on Facebook, and make sure you like that as well. Dividend Investing with Darth Dividend, because I do plan on posting videos on Facebook once I get bigger. So I highly encourage you to check out my channel. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I show you everything I invest in, everything that I believe in. And my goal is to empower you and almost like show you that there are other ways to make income where you're basically sitting on your butt not doing anything, and the hard work that you're putting into your portfolios is paying off. So I appreciate you watching this video. Again, we are 3,000 subscribers strong, and welcome to my channel. I add a little bit of humor to that. I'm very active on this channel. I am in the middle of graduate school, and I plan on posting 2 to 3 videos a week. But I definitely want to show you each change that I make on my portfolios on Fundrise, M1 Finance, and my E-Trade dividend portfolio. I also will show you, if you see on my channel, something that happened to me investing in a private rate or real estate and the BRICS rate. So check that out. I'm hoping I can break even, but the bug was a big issue. It's a shame that this happened, but you know what? I was prepared because I had I didn't have my eggs all in one basket, and I was prepared for this. And you know what? In the long term, I plan on reaching my goal and earning passive income so I can enjoy that. So you guys have a great time. Welcome again to my channel. Make sure you make a comment. I will be glad to do reviews on your M1 Finance dividend portfolios. Just email me at darthdividend@gmail.com. Make sure you make a comment in the comment section so I will check my email and kind of do like a little small analysis and give you some input on some mistakes I made in my M1 Finance portfolio, some things I'm catching up with, and I'm excited to see this channel grow as well as your dividend portfolio. So make sure you make a comment. Let me know how many dividends you make all the time, and post in my comment section and my community section on YouTube. So I know 2020 is a crazy year. Looking forward to 2021 and passive income with all of you guys. And you guys have been phenomenal on this channel. And a lot of you guys that are new are going to be phenomenal on this channel. So I enjoy reading your conversations, critiquing certain things, and we can all learn from each other. So this is the great thing about social media and the internet. There's a lot of negative attention out there with social media, but you can also be on the positive side. And I want to show you on the positive side how to make extra sources of income, and that you can invest in real estate when you're busy, just like Fundrise. So again, the sky's the limit. I highly encourage you guys to do your own research. But I give you tips in these videos on these stocks. I show you the dividend history, how it's done against the S&P and some of these stocks that I own. I make it very brief and very simple for you. So welcome and enjoy.